The Harvard step test is a 20-inch step. Most women have difficulty with the 20-inch, especially women. Like, I have very short legs, so that's a problem. So then we found the Queen's College step test. It's a standard test, so everybody is administered exactly the same challenge at the same speed for the same amount of time. The only variable in that is somebody's heart rate response, and that variable is used to determine who is fitter and who is not, right? The lower your heart rate response is, the fitter you are, and the less costly was that exercise. But who's going to do that in a sari? We forgot that. And so then, we learned about hiking up saris, and then, was the other concern that, look, stature is just smaller. We had a prototype and we tested it with the women research assistants, and they just couldn't do it. I mean, not without it being unsafe. So then we met the next day with the carpenter, who really didn't speak very much. He had very old tools, and I was just fascinated the way he measured and cut. There were no power tools. Could have watched him all day. I took a lot of photographs. First he made it bigger, then he made it smaller. So then we tested that on everyone to make sure it was challenging enough that, people would use at least 70% of their maximal capacity to complete the test, but not so high or strenuous that they would hurt themselves. And then also accounting for the sari and the smaller stature.